Hi guys, Larissa at Practical Pieces here. It's Trash to Treasure Tuesday over on my blog, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to do with this here. If you missed it in a couple posts ago, I showed you what I did with a couple windows that we took out of our shed. We're remodeling our garden shed out back here. And one of the things that's been in the shed since probably the 1950s is this screen that went with the windows, which we never used, but I found it up in the eaves. But I'm going to show you what you can do with it with a simple trick to make it look like this. Here we go. My screen came from nothing to something fun for my home. This could be used outside. You could use it in your home. You could gift it to someone. Maybe it has a history to it from a house that was torn down. You get the idea, the endless options. Before I go on to show you the tutorial, ding that bell icon down below to get notifications of my channel here, subscribe, and also head to my blog practicalpieces.com where you can sign up for my free email newsletter and get everything in your inbox and also see this project in written form. I'll have the link down below. All right, let's have at it. There we go. Pretty simple. And as you can see, you can make this any way you like. You could take any graphic, freehand it. You could fill in the screen so that the little holes are filled, so a more dynamic approach. This makes it so that you can see through it. I don't know if you know the history about that. I share that in my blog post over at practicalpieces.com where I have the full tutorial for this and other details for you there. But it talks about the history. I thought back in the day, city people wanted to have their windows open. They didn't have air conditioning, but they didn't want people seeing in. So they would pay somebody, or do maybe themselves, they would paint the screen, and it gives the facade of this graphic, and sometimes it would be an image related to their history, their past, their genealogy, or maybe the local community there, but really a neat way to add interest and quite a story. Imagine walking down a city street with different screens painted in different fashions. So you can even do this on your home. But anyway, I hope you're inspired. My goal was to show you I took a screen from my shed, turned it into something fun and useful. This will actually be available in my shop, where I have lots of other things for you too. And don't forget, when you sign up for my newsletter, it comes right to your inbox free as often as you like, and comes with a discount to my shop, a freebie for you on how to help make your own home story. So leave me some love down below. Let me know what you think. What would you have painted on here? What would you differently? It's really simple, straightforward. I hope you'll share and show me some love. Until next time, bye.